Is copper going to rally in 2026? Here's what might just happen. Everyone's saying copper will rally to $15,000. Goldman Sachs says they're all wrong. I dug into both sides. Here's what I found. By the end of this, I show you the exact price ceiling and how it's decided, the myth about copper that everyone gets wrong, and what the banks are actually predicting. Let's settle this. First, the bull case. And it's strong. Think of copper like real estate in a city that's about to boom. Every Tesla needs 4 times more copper than your Toyota. Every AI data center is like building a copper-hungry factory. And here's the problem. Building a new copper mine, that's like getting a construction permit in New York City. 17 years. JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, they all see a shortage coming. 300,000 to 700,000 tons short by 2026. But here's what bulls get wrong. You've heard this. Grid buildout means copper boom. Right? Wrong. Those massive transmission towers you see carrying power across countries, that's aluminum, not copper. Copper is for the last mile. Transformers in your neighborhood, cables under your street. Important, but not the story bulls are selling. Now Goldman Sachs, the lone bear, they're like that one friend at a party who says, guys, it's over. Go home. 2025 just ended with a 600,000 ton surplus, largest since 2009. And Goldman says 2026, another 300,000 ton surplus. No shortage until 2029. Their price target, $10,000 to $11,000 by year end, not $15,000. But here's what both sides agree on. There's a ceiling, and we're at it. Think of it like that fresh clothes collection. Price goes too high, people wait for the next sale. Same with copper. When copper crosses $13,000, the world's biggest buyer, China, just stops. Factories shut down. They wait. In December, 60% of Chinese copper factories either cut production or closed completely. They're saying, too expensive. We'll pass. And there's a second ceiling. When copper gets too expensive, industries find workarounds. Your AC's heat exchanger? 40% of the world already switched to aluminum. Double what it was 5 years ago. Electric cars? Manufacturers plan to cut copper per vehicle from 90 kilograms to 62 kilograms by 2030. High prices are killing their own demand. So what actually happens? The shortage is real. Even Goldman admits it arrives by 2029. But the rally? Already priced in. Expect copper to bounce between 10,500 and 13,500 through 2027. The big move to 15,000? That's a 2030 story. Not now. Bulls aren't wrong about the future. But they're early. And in markets, early is the same as wrong. Not investment advice. Do your own research. Share this with someone who thinks copper will rally forever. Follow for more. For lithium deep dive, click below.